Can you introduce yourself and the sport you'll be competing in?
Hello po, ako si Jones Labres Inso ng Wushu Taolu. Ang i-compete ko po ngayong World Games ay averaging ng men's Tai Chi Chuan and men's Tai Chi Tsien.
How are you preparing for the World Games? Do you have any personal rituals for a big event?
Since January pa po nag-start na kami ng training kasi may previous competitions kami nung July na Asian Cup. So tuloy-tuloy na yung preparations namin from January hanggang ngayon. So maganda naman yung preparation namin.
What does it mean to you to represent the Philippines on a global stage?
Representing Philippines in a global stage, international stage is a malaking bagay yun. Nakakabigay ng pride sa amin mga atleta. Kasi pag mga atleta, international stage na talaga yung ano namin, goal namin. Hindi lang basta-basta rin international stage, podium finish din.
What's one non-sporting skill or hobby you might have that might surprise me?
Kaka-graduate ko lang po actually ng Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. So, mang masasabi ko sa kapwa-atleta ay hindi hadlang yung yung pag-sports natin para makapag-commit din ng ibang goal sa buhay natin.
Heading into the games, does it mean to you and your fellow athletes that brands show support, such as Sportsman?
Siyempre, pag may mga sponsors tayo, kagaya ng Sports Plus, nakakapagbigay tulong yun sa amin. Kasi alam namin na may assurance na may tumutulong sa amin, may nanonood sa amin. Tsaka hindi kami na-deadman na nasa side lang na nagpo-perform na parang gano'n. So magandang tulong yung may support kami para may bigay namin yung best namin sa world stage.